Morning, if you have argument with your wife, evening you will not get dinner. That is Ley Gyumdey. You know? One thing that stand out the Buddha is the Sampasemke. And as we mentioned back, one of the main defining features of the Buddha Dharma, Buddhist follow is belief in the Ley Gyumdey. But the belief in the Ley Gyumdey is not restricted to just offering karma or doing money or killing some in this big part. It means that everything we do arises from causal conditions. In a simple way, I say that I jokingly joke with the Westerner, they are not used to Ley Gyumdey. I always say, in the morning if you have argument with your wife, evening you will not get dinner. That is Ley Gyumdey. Ley Gyumdey is not very complicated thing. So that's also the why I think the Buddhism, we have a lot of freedom, because we say that Guru Rinpoche, Buddhas and Lam Rinpoche will never judge you. But you have to know that every action that you do has a consequences in a society, in your organization, within your personal life, even your health, what you eat, how you think, what mentally you consume. Social media, through what you consume, transforms your belief, your values. So everything that we do, say, has a